Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a chibi style digital image of any character you want. So what you want to do is to go to the Leonardo AI website and click on image generation. Now you can choose for the model of preset. You can choose any of these any of the presets, but let's choose concept art for the moment. We can edit it later. And the style, let us choose a character sheet. We can also choose a game concept later. And I have gone ahead to create or put the image. Now all I have to do is to generate it, and we wait. Now we can see the image it's generated for us. Now the only problem with this is that it's anime form, which is not exactly what you want on it. So what we'll do is to go back and reset the model or preset option. Now we'll just have to click on the model option. Let's choose cinematic, and I think I should do it, and we'll click generate again, and now we wait. Now we can see that it has gone ahead to generate a very good chibi style image. You can also play around with the models and presets for better output. Thank you, and do have a great day.